questions, but look into the camera. I'll kind of lean back here.
Okay.
It's not a race, so take your time and think about it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure my programming hero at the moment is Substack. He goes by James Halliday on pretty much everywhere, but well, that's his real life name anyways. But he's actually goes by Substack everywhere. So you should really follow him if you're into modularity and crazy science stuff like peer-to-peer networking stuff and things like that. So he does some pretty awesome things. He authored Browserify, which is now very widely used, even before ES6 modules came to life. And even after that, it's still a big thing. So something that we should all learn from. My advice would be what I've been doing, right? Because I think that worked well for me, and that's just doing what you like. And I guess we are privileged in that way, that we are able to do what we like and get away with it. So if you're into programming, just follow wherever your interests are. And I guess the one piece of advice I have for anyone doing programming or software at all is specialize in something. Try to figure out what it is that you actually like the most about what you're doing, and specialize in that, like JavaScript, or even like a subset of JavaScript, like performance or front-end work or back-end work or whatever, and try and make the best out of it. Write blog posts and stuff if you're into it. If not, that's cool. Don't, because you're going to force yourself into a corner that you're really going to have a lot of trouble crawling yourself out of. But yeah, so do what you like, and don't try to force it. Yeah, it's probably Browserify. Like, I did a lot of work with NEJS stuff and whatnot. It might have been my blog, because I started writing the engine behind my blog like a couple 3 years ago now or so. I was reading Node.js, and I basically homebrew everything around it, and it was really fun. I actually learned Node.js out of that. But over time, I learned like more things about like writing modular code and whatnot, and most of that was due to using Browserify on my code. So I think that would be a great project to lean on to do your job. One of the most exciting things that we're seeing today is that there's this very community-driven push to like work together as a whole, like attending all these conferences like NEJS or any of them, and trying to collaborate with each other, and figuring out what's best for each of us in the community, realizing that we can't possibly know everything, or not even in our own domain. Like nowadays, you can really nowadays you can really even know what like the whole browser scope. Like if you go over this spec, it's overwhelming. So it's probably just collaboration and being able to work more closely together with each other than ever before. Not really. I don't know.
That was pretty weird, man. Good job. Did good.
Yeah.
Come down and